I'm here at the Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum, and I'm about to sneak up on some Rams tailgaters and cook dishes using ingredients only they brought with them. A lot of people call me the Eric Dickerson of chefs.
I can tell, man, we look just alike.
What's up, guys? Hey, what's going on? I'm Richard Blais from the Rachael Show. Good to see you. Do you mind if I cook with you?
Of course.
Can I fish around your ingredients? Fresh cilantro, red salsa, tomatillos. Here's a great tip for when you're making salsa at home or for your tailgate. Let those tomatoes or peppers or onions burn on the grill. That's where you get all that depth of flavor. Crunchy cheese puffs, onions, melty cheese. You got these third pan set up here. Pork, chicken, beef. I think we'll just, grease it up a little. Whoa! That's an amazing tip. Let me see this right here. So you have oil in here, right? Yep. And that's gonna make you sort of spread the oil a little bit easier because it disperses through the nozzle. A little bit of these onions are gonna start working over here. And we're gonna put some of this melty cheese. What do you think is gonna be the appropriate meat here for these?
Maybe you can go triple up, you know, all three of them, one of each. You know what I mean?
Here's a great tip. We're actually going to use the bag as a serving vessel. It's a great tip for tailgating because the package itself becomes your plate. We're gonna put some of that right on top of this meat. It's gonna just continue to melt right on top of there. We went triple meat, so we're going double sauce. Lots of cilantro.
Hey, dude!
All right, so people don't think that raw corn sort of adds anything, right? It's not so big. But corn is ultra sweet. It's sweeter before you cook it. It retains all of its sugar. Chef, what's going on?
Chef, how are you?
You mind if I fish around your cooler and cook with you?
Sure, go ahead.
Be still, my beating heart. You have one of my favorite ingredients of all time. You have curly fries. We're about to make girly fries. I see that you got some onions and cilantro over here. That's gonna be perfect. What kind of barbecue sauce?
Homemade barbecue sauce.
You made your own barbecue sauce.
Okay,
yeah. This is gonna be amazing. One tip is to bring a griddle or a cast iron pan with you. You can put it right on your grill and it can function as another cooking surface. You have some cheese sauce, some nacho sauce. I'm gonna pour a little bit of the beer right here into our sauce. You wanna stir that up for me?
Sure, absolutely.
And that's gonna give it, you know, it's gonna round it out a little bit. It's gonna give it some depth of flavor. Look at this.
No such thing as too much cheese.
Gooey, and delicious. We're gonna have to dress it up with a little bit of this pulled pork. Drizzle a little bit of your famous barbecue on there. Some onions. Paul, do me the honor of squeezing all of that lime juice on there. A little bit of our cilantro. Girly fries. Whose house?
Rams house!